Hello everyone, myself Imranullah Khan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sri Krishna Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Today I'm going to show you how to generate certificate by using Autocrat Add-on. Generate certificate instantly by using Autocrat Add-on in Google Sheets. So whenever the participants or the user fill the Google form, immediately the form should generate the certificate and it should mail to them. So for that, we need three things. First one is Google form. Through that, we will generate the Google Sheet that form the database for us, and we have to install Autocrat add-on, and we should have a certificate template that is in the form of a Google slide. These things, the pre-requirement for that. After that, there are 9 steps. There are 9 steps. Once you install the Autocrat add-on, once to launch it, there are 9 steps. It's very simple. Okay, easily we can generate the certificate, and with the regular user ID, that is regular Gmail account, we can generate up to 100 certificate per day. If you're using G Suite ID, you can generate more than that. We will go step by step. First thing is we have to create a Google form. I'll log into my Gmail account. Then I'll select the form. I'll create one blank one. I'll name it as FTP feedback. Whatever fields you want, you can include it. Here if you want participant name, make it mandatory. Then name of the department, enough. If you want, you can add more. I'll take only 2 fields, that is a name and the participant name and the name of the department, participant department. Then after this, go to settings. In the settings, in the response, open this response tab. In the response, collect email ID. This is very important. You have to collect the email ID and limit to 1 response. We will set only 1 certificate for 1 user. Okay. After that, go to responses. Here you have to create the spreadsheet. Click on create. Give the name for this. I'll give it as a FTP database. Then I'll click on create. Now, so here are the fields which are included in my Google Sheet. That is email address, participant name, name of the department. Okay. Now next thing is we created the Google. First thing we created the Google form. Next one is we have to install the Autocrat add-on. Go to extension, click on add-on, get add-on. So here you have to type, it will ask you to, in search box, if you type Autocrat, you will get this one. So I already installed. If you already installed, it will show it is already installed. Okay, close it. If not, you have to install. Just double click it. It will ask some permission, give that, allow it, and then it will get installed. Close it. Now again, go to extension. Here is my Autocrat. Click on launch. Okay. So now you have to create the job. It will ask you to create the new job for your certificate. Click on that. Click new job. Then give the name. I'll give it as FDP certificate. The name of the job. Then click next. When you click next, it will ask you to create template or select template from the drive. Either you can create by clicking this, you can create the template, or you can select it from the Google Drive. That also you can do it, or recently used template will be here. You can select any template from here as well. So how to create the template? What you have to do is you should go to the Google form, Google slide. Log into Google Slides. Take blank one. Or if you already have the certificate in your PowerPoint or slide, you can directly upload into a Google Drive and you can select that. Or you can here also you can import the slide. If you have already the PowerPoint certificate ready, you can import it by using this, or you can select the design which is available here, and you can start from the scratch. It is up to you. So for example, I have taken this template. Okay, let me quickly create one simple certificate. Here I'll type it as FDP certificate. Then you can design it. You can put logo. You can put the coordinator, principal, HOD signatures. Everything here. I'll type this is to okay. This is very important. These are called tags. Opening angle bracket and closing angle bracket. In between, you have to give the tag name, whatever you want. So I'll give the tag name as name. Then this is to certify that. Here I'll get the name of the participant, name. Then I'll type here. I'll leave some space. Print name. This is to certify that. This is to certify Imranullah Khan has successfully completed the FDP on FDP name. If you want, you can give it. I'll give it as a FDP on Python from give the department name. It's enough simple. You can customize it however you want. You can make it. I'll give department here. Okay, so two tags I have used here. One is name, another one is a department. Okay. So after this, if you want, you can share it. You can give the name, FDP certificate, let it be, save it. Okay, sharing not required. Just give the name. Then go to your Excel sheet. Here in the Excel sheet, select from drive. Okay, in the drive, we have here our FDP certificate. Because we logged in from our account, it will directly saved into our drive. Select this certificate, click next. Here you can see the preview as well. See here, FDP certificate, it gets selected. If you click this, you can see the preview also. Now click on next. When you click on next, this is very important. Here you have to map source data to the template. So here we have to map to our columns, that is which is there in the Google slides. Okay, here name should be mapped to which one? Participant name. But this is how we have given in our Google form. Name should be mapped to participant name, and again department should be mapped to name of the department. Okay, then click next. Yeah, and one more thing here is here you have to select the form response. Form response you have to select, then click on next. Then what is the file name? Because we have to send the the certificate based on the participant name, because so many will fill the data. So how to identify that? I'll take it as participant name. Here, for example, if I filled Imranullah Khan, my name will come here. Imranullah Khan. After that, I'll give the Imranullah Khan FDP certificate. Imranullah Khan FDP certificate, like that I'll get like that the name of the certificate I'm giving. Okay, then what type of certificate you want, whether you want the Google slide or you want the PDF, you selected PDF. Then after that, click next. Once you click next, you have to choose the destination folder. All your the generated PDF certificate will be saved in one particular folder. You can create one folder or let it be this my drive itself, or if you want, you can choose the folder. any folder you can choose it. That folder already you have to create in Google Drive, and you can select that folder. Then after that, click next. Okay, this is optional. Add dynamic folder response. It is optional. Then this is also optional. Click next. Okay, this is important here. Share doc and send email. Yes, we have to share the document, that is PDF, and we have to send the mail to the participant. Click yes, sir. When you click yes, it'll ask you what type of document you want to share. Okay, let it be PDF. Then allow collaborator to use here. Allow collaborator to reuse. Click on no. Okay. Then after that, here, uh, this is very important. To whom we have to send? We have to send to the email address which we collect from the Google form. Correct? To email. If you want CC, BCC, you can include their mail IDs. Then subject is anything you can write, FDP certificate. Then body of the mail. It is your certificate. Thank you. I'll take the name here. It will show thank you Imran Khan, like that. It will come. Okay. After that, I'll click on next. Then add or remove job triggers. So this triggers tells you whether you want to send the certificate immediately, or after collecting the response you have to send. No, we want to send the certificate immediately. For that, yes, I'll give yes. Then you have to click on this updating the project trigger. It will update the project triggers. Then after that, 9 steps over, click on save. Okay, once you click on save, you have to run our the created job. For that, here edit is there, preview, delete, and there is a run. You have to run this mail merge. So now we are running the mail merge Autocrat add-on. Now close it. Now see here, but automatically it added some fields here. Merge document ID, I know document merge status, whether the certificate sent successfully or not. Okay, that everything. At some fields it will add by itself. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll go to my Google form. I'll go to the Google form. I'll fill here. Go to preview. I'll fill something. I'll give my mail ID. Gmail.com. Then I'll give you the name of the participant. Then name of the department I'll give. And I'll click submit. Okay, your response is recorded. So successfully I submitted. Now you can see here name, the department name and the email address. Okay, now it will take few seconds. After that, it'll give me the status. For example, here in which drive the certificate is stored, and where it is linked, what is the name of the certificate, and whether it is successfully sent or not. Now see here, document successfully created. That everything it'll display. Okay, document successfully merged, everything. Now I'll go to my email. I'll check whether I have received the certificate or not. I'll refresh it. Okay. Yes, I got it. This is FDP certificate. That is the subject name I gave. And here you can see the Imran Ullah Khan. That is the name of the certificate. I gave as a participant name. Now I'll open it. You can see here. Here is your certificate. Thank you, Imran Ullah Khan. Now I'll open my certificate. Download it. I'll open it. You can see here, this is to certify Imran Ullah Khan has successfully completed FDP on Python from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So I hope you understood this. It's very simple. And here I give the space. You don't give the space, automatically it's taking the space here. Okay, just give the tags. That is enough. Thank you. Any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you so much for watching the video.